I have a question for banana farmers or plantain farmers or matoke farmers. So, what have you been doing lately? I want to know what are your current challenges and problems and hurdles in your farm because in Asia they have different kinds of problems or I think similar to yours like pests and diseases, um, market prices. Prices are too low. They're being taken advantage of predatory middleman, farm to market roads, climate change, irrigation. So I want to know for all the plantain, matoke, banana farmers, what are you doing to enhance and improve your farm? Do you have in some way agroforestry implemented in your farm? Do you have climate smart agriculture concept? Do you plan to do Agitech innovation or Agitech startup eventually sometime in the future? Please let me know about what are your concrete plans on that because banana, plantain, or matoke, they might look common, but if you really, for example, go into crop dryer, you could do value add on your banana or plantain and matoke and increase your price from fresh fruit, perishable fruit, to a packaged value added product that you could import or export to other countries. You understand what I'm saying here? So, what other fruit bearing trees, timber trees, livestock that goes well with the banana, plantain, and matoke? What kind of innovation and integration that you're doing? Do you have goats? Do you have coffee? Or whatever? All right. So again, this is all for the banana, matoke, plantain farmers. I want to know what have you been doing lately? How are you guys? And let's talk. This is the best time to discuss about your farm.